One day, Tom went to the supermarket. He wanted to buy some food. He took a shopping cart and walked inside. He looked around and smiled. It was a good day to go shopping. Tom walked to the meat section. He looked left and he looked right. There was only one chicken left. He grabbed it fast and smiled. "Yes," he said, "this chicken is mine." Suddenly, another man ran to Tom. He looked angry and pointed at the chicken. He shouted, "Hey, that was my chicken." Tom looked surprised. "But I took it first," he said. Jack looked angry. Tom looked confused. Then they both started to laugh. Tom said, "You can have it. I'll eat fish today." Jack laughed and said, "No, let's share it." They found a small counter. Tom and Jack put the chicken there. They cut it in half with a plastic knife. People watched and laughed. The supermarket felt fun and silly. The supermarket manager came. He saw the two men with half a chicken each. He crossed his arms and shouted, "What are you two doing?" Tom and Jack looked like naughty boys. Then they laughed again. In the end, Tom and Jack became friends. They went home and made dinner. They laughed, they talked, and they ate chicken together. It was the best chicken they ever had. Tom smiled and said, "It was a funny day." Jack laughed and said, "Next time, I'll grab the chicken first." They waved goodbye and went home. And from that day, they always shared, even the last chicken. Did you hear all the simple past tense verbs? Words like went, took, laughed, shared, and ate. Great job. See you in the next story.